Real hot girl shit. Ay, I gotta stay.
Hey Marie, and I'm back with another video. Hope everyone's doing well and has been able to stay safe and is continuing to do the things that we need to do to stay safe. So I'm sorry that I disappeared. I told you guys last time that I went back to work. I also decided to enroll in school, and I have just been so swamped, just beyond swamped. I finally feel like I have like the handle back on the steering wheel right now, and so I decided to do this video. And what better time, because I purchased some makeup for my birthday that's coming up, and I was opening the box. I'm like, hold on, like, dumbass, do a video, duh. So this video is about this makeup that I got off Instagram, which I'm sure you guys have all seen if you have social media, because the ads are like everywhere. If I butcher the name, I'm sorry. It's called Il Makiage? Il Makiage, I'm not totally sure. So I got the foundation and the concealer. I did the Try My Shade quiz. And if you want to see how it came out, the unboxing and review, stay tuned. Super cute. It has like the little black paper inside, so I'm gonna pour that out. So I did their perfect match quiz, and I got the concealer and I got the foundation. Let's see what comes inside of here. Over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. Also, it tells you how to apply it. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Okay, also they send the paper twice, and you know their sign. So that's what it looks like. And another paper came in here. Oh, it's just a receipt. So I got FIF concealer 100 and Woke Up Like This foundation 155. And you know, it does the how does try before you buy work. So I ended up paying like $5.95 for the shipping. And when you purchase it initially, you know, don't below me, I didn't read through the website. So you do get like an initial hold charge, but the charge is supposed to go away within 2 days. So I looked and it had been there the 4th day. So I wrote to them and they answered like this. I'm not even kidding. Within like 5-10 minutes, they already answered me, and they told me that to give it 1 more day, the charge that maybe through my bank. So, and they were right. The next day, the charges were gone. So regardless, the concealer and the foundation, if I do keep it, will come out to, I think it's $74. So I'm gonna start with the foundation, and what I usually do, I use this e.l.f. adjusting primer. So I decided to just do a voiceover for this part because this video turned out longer than what I wanted it to be. So I'm basically just using this because I have old acne scars and hyperpigmentation from PCOS. So I'm just like hoping that this covers like my mustache stain and things like that. I don't really see it making a difference, but who knows. And then I have like pores that are very open here on the sides. So I just put a little bit of the Maybelline Baby Skin Intense Pore Eraser. Like, I mean like a tiny, like a smidge. I don't even know if you can see that. Like a little smidge of it. Right, so, my God, this box is so pretty. Do you see how it is? I don't even want to open it. So cute. Okay, it's Flawless Base Foundation. Let's see. Okay, so dramatic pause, please. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that looks so pretty. All right. I'm really like excited to try this. Even like looking here, I feel like it should match me. Let me pick up my sleeves so I don't dirty my shirt. I really hope it does. That's crazy. I want to put it up next to the foundations that I use usually, and like I won't show those names because it's not a video about them. I just want to show the colors. And that's crazy, just from like a match quiz online where nobody saw me, nobody checked out my shades or anything. That's crazy. So I'm trying to see if this is like a twist top. Oh, you pop it off. Okay, so one squirt. I'm gonna just pump it on my hand, not because I'm trying it on my hand, just so I can put it on. So my cousin got me like this brush set, and I really love it. So. Wow, it gives a lot of coverage. Look, and I still have, from the 2 pumps on my hand, that much left. Okay. That spreads out and covers so much. Let me look behind. I have a mirror behind. Oh, my big artist canvas over here just messing up all my baby hairs that I made out. Wow, this looks just, wow. Wow. I'm gonna just use the rest from my neck. I'll put a little bit here. So yeah, the 2 pumps gave for all my face. Well, I'm gonna try to change the color on here just so you can, yeah, are you seeing? What wow. 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 I'm so shocked right now. Wow. You can't even see the scratch that I just did to myself. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, look at my lids. And really, this isn't even, let me see if I like stand back a little bit. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my god. I'm looking in the mirror behind. I can't believe. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the concealer. Okay, so usually when I'm gonna just apply the concealer the same way I usually apply my concealers. So this is how it's looking outside of the bottle. So I usually, like, cause I have like heavy under eye, so if I make a stupid face, please just ignore it. Okay, so I'm gonna do one side at a time. Okay, I also use a brush from the set that my cousin got me. I don't even know the name of this set. It says Best Taupe. I've had it for a while now. I really love these brushes. I feel like I'm gonna put maybe a little more concealer. Seriously, it looks so good. The video is just not even doing it justice. And I did it in the bathroom because the bathroom has the harshest light, and it still looks so good. A wee bit more, just a wee bit. But even still, I use so little compared to how much I have to use with my other makeup. So, am I the only one that makes these crazy ass faces when they're doing their makeup? I need to know because I be looking like a psychopath. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna do the little highlighting that I do to my face too. am just truly in shock by how good this looks. Just wow. And it feels so light. I feel like I don't even have anything on my face. It feels so light. Okay, I'm not gonna do much more to my makeup because I want this video to just be about them. Wow. Just wow. Damn, y'all don't play. Oh, I'm gonna just set my eyebrows. This is just clear mascara, and it's tinted black from when I run it over the henna on my eyebrows. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, I would do that too. But again, this is so cute. Oh no, you guys have to get this. Wow, I really can't believe this. Damn, I have nowhere to go. Nowhere. This is so cute. This is so cute. No, this is really good, guys. So again, I got it on Instagram. I just saw like the ad. I clicked it. It's my birthday. My birthday's coming up, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give myself some makeup again for no reason. So I did the quiz and I started with just a concealer, and I saw that the concealer and the foundation together were only like $72, $73. So I was like, you know what? Like, what the hell? I've spent $50 on just foundation or $60 on just foundation that doesn't match me at all, and I have to just leave it here or find someone to give it to. But this is very good. This is a softer lighting I have. And it looks like I have like a little highlight done and I didn't contour anything. This is the super bright one I have. This looks, wow guys. So that's it. I want to keep this video very short, just the try on and everything. Again, I really think that you guys should get this. You won't regret it. I'm definitely going to look at other stuff they have on their site. I really don't know what much else they have. I've just seen that ad so many times and no one I know has tried it. So I was like, you know what, like what the hell, I'm going to go for it. So again, if you guys have any questions, I'm going to put down in the description section the shades that I got. And I will also link foundation that I've previously purchased that does match my skin tone. So in case you're trying to get an idea if you would be like the same match as me. But I mean, from me just taking the quiz and it being spot on, I don't think you have anything to worry about. So alright guys, I hope that everybody continues to stay safe. Love you guys. I'm gonna get more videos to you. I'm so sorry. I'll probably say it in the intro. I started school. I went back to work. I've been really just like emotionally, mentally, and physically swamped. I've been trying to lose weight, and I have been. So even today, I didn't even want to do this video. I was finding like 1,000,001 excuses. I didn't feel well. I had a Zoom meeting with my job, and I was like, you know what? Like, no, I'm gonna do it in my bathroom. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna get this done. So I promise I will be back with more stuff. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.